Hey guys, it's Amanda and welcome to another nail art video. I'll be doing a gradient and some layered stamping, so here we go. As always, I'm starting with my favorite peel-off base coat and we're going to apply it over our entire nail. Once my base coat has completely dried, I am using Color Club's Supernatural, a beautiful teal hollow, and I'm going to apply that as my base color. Now I'm grabbing my liquid latex and I'm adding a protective barrier all around my cuticles because we are going to be doing a gradient today. The second color that I'm going to be using in my gradient is also by Color Club and it's called Sidewalk Psychic. You're going to take a sponge, apply your base color as well as your secondary color side by side, ever so slightly overlapping so you get a seamless transition. Now take your loaded sponge and dab it lightly on your nail just a couple of times. When doing a gradient, you're actually going to want to reload your sponge and dab it on a few times in thin layers rather than try and glob it on all at once, otherwise it's going to look really messy. And then once you get on that final layer, you can go ahead and peel off your liquid latex. I'm going to be stamping on a black feather design. This is Beauty Big Bang XL-009. We're going to take that feather and press it right down into the middle of our gradient. Now go back to that exact same design, except this time you're going to be using white. Now take the white feather and apply it slightly offset from the black so the black looks like its shadow. And remember guys, always finish with a top coat. And there you have the completed look. I love this. It came out way better than I had anticipated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you want to see more nail art tutorials, hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so you get alerts every time that I post. And until next time, guys, see ya!